Instead of being stuck in traffic on I-95, you and your car can save 900 miles of driving and travel to Florida in comfort. You can pack your car with everything you need or might want, unlike on an airplane. On the way, you can read a book, play cards, surf the web using the free Wi-Fi, and enjoy a meal. And when you get here, you'll have your car to drive around town. It really is a stress-free and relaxing way to come to Florida. Tip number 1. Leave most things in your car. Pack a small bag to bring on the train with your personal items, snacks, and a change of clothes. The Auto Train runs between Lorton, Virginia and Sanford, Florida, near Orlando. The train only accepts travelers with a vehicle and makes no stops along the way. The schedule is the same for both the northbound number 52 and the southbound number 53 auto trains. Both trains leave at 4 p.m., arriving the next day around 9 a.m. Note that pets are not allowed on the auto train. You'll purchase your ticket on the Amtrak website. You can choose between coach seating or a sleeper car. We prefer the comfort of the sleeper car. The roomette is small, but it's perfect for 1 or 2 people. The seats are comfortable and convert into bunk beds. For more space, you can opt for a bedroom for 2 people with an in-cabin restroom and shower, or a family bedroom for 2 adults and 2 children. Tip number 2. The shower on the lower sleeper deck is great. It's also much roomier than the restrooms for changing your clothes. You can arrive as early as 11:30 a.m. Just be sure to get there before 2:30 p.m. Tip number 3. Plan to arrive about 12 p.m. and go have lunch before going to the station. We like to go to Glory Days just down the road. They have good burgers, salads, and more. Head to the station between 1 and 2 p.m. You will be given a ticket with a number assigned to your car. Next, you will head to check-in, where you will be assigned to a room. You will also be able to choose a dinner time. While you are waiting to board, the crew will load your car onto the train. Boarding usually starts about 3 p.m. Until then, sign on to the free Wi-Fi or visit the shop for snacks, magazines, and more. There's also a playground for the kids. Tip number 4. Buy drinks and snacks from the shop before boarding. The selection is much larger than on board. The train will depart about 4 p.m. It's time to sit back and enjoy the scenery. At dinner time, you can go to the dining car, or your steward can deliver your meal to your room. The menu has several choices and the food is pretty good. My favorite is the flat iron steak. Oh, and the cheesecake for dessert. You can even enjoy a free glass of wine with dinner. Each car also has a 24-hour coffee station. Tip number 5. The club car is a great place to hang out. There are tables to play cards or set up your laptop. You can purchase soft drinks, beer or wine, snacks, and even burgers. Each car has its own steward. This is our steward, Big Chris. He or she will put down your beds in the evening and stow them away in the morning. Tip number 6, bring a pillow from home. For us, having our own pillows makes sleeping much more comfortable. Breakfast starts at 6 a.m. While you're at breakfast, your beds will be stowed away. Tip number 7. After breakfast, we like to go to the club car instead of our room until we get to Sanford. When you arrive, the crew will begin offloading the vehicles from the train. It can take as long as an hour and a half to get all of the cars unloaded. Don't forget to tip your hard-working steward. Here's a shout out to you, Big Chris. Tip number 8. If you want, you can pay a little extra for priority offloading. The announcer will call your car's number over the PA, and it will also be displayed on a screen in the terminal. Load your belongings into the car and use care pulling out. Tip number 9. If you need to set your GPS or adjust your luggage, park in the parking lot to allow others to pick up their cars. Victoria and I have ridden the auto train 30 to 40 times. It's our favorite way to travel to and from Florida. I've put links in the description to more information about the auto train. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos about Florida and the Sarasota area. Have a great day.